now start with more.
Pull up. Fuck the name, whole of fight boy. One of the boring select on them there. You understand?
Rochester link up.
Everything alright.
Live vibes in the place. Girl is on the mic. Yo. From here to upstate, the signal strong. Log on pon the stream, everybody turning long. Big laugh, big chat. Every little song in my ear up the yard of them foreign and hometown. Girl is of the spice, yeah. Him full of charm. Talk the thing straight, but him keep it warm. From dancehall drama to street kind of psalm. When the show start, it's like cool breeze calm. Girl is on the live vibe, live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. Live vibe, live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world at. Weekend come, everybody know the code. Screenshot the link, share it on the road. Big up every crew, in a chill mode. Chat sweet like mango, vibes overload. He marks wagwan and the colors rolling. Story them spicy, pure belly busting. But him still show love, not tear down king. Girl is keep it clean while the rhythm still swing. Girl is on the live vibe, live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. Girl is on the live vibe, live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Anywhere we there, the link still sure. Yardman accent, kick down every door. Big up the queens and the real hardcore. If you love the vibe, shout one time more. One more. Funny. Live vibe, live vibe. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture right. Funny. Live vibe, live vibe. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Yeah man. Live vibe steady, we not cool. Rochester, Jamaica, one rule. Anywhere you're there, just remember this. Horse with the fire, them call him Gallus. Pronounce live.
Check. Over song. Is it fully active now? Alright, again, everybody. This is why Gallus James is Vice Friday each and every Friday. As you can see, we are here Dolo tonight. I mean, Ricky apart tonight. But Ricky already 3 shots in on me. But I feel like me a drink tonight, I'm too far in the race right now. I mean, I play ketchup.
Look at me, that smoke, brother.
That's how I get the glasses.
You press your fuck. I don't put it down.
Okay. But yeah, people, just there is a combat we are chill today. Couple things, I don't know if anybody else paying attention in the media, news-wise and entertainment-wise. We're going to touch on a whole bunch of little random shit. I don't plan on being on here long tonight because it's been a long week. Normally check in with the week and the toaster weekend, but my week was very long. I've been working overnight. Definitely work back in at it. Baby, all of that shit make the day go by without you even knowing the day went by. And then we are here with the vibes. Where's we forgot the sponsors? Yeah, Caribbean Spice, One Love Window Cleaning, All In Podcast Network, the DNK Catering, and Live Vibes TV. Shout out to everybody when they're there when they're supposed to be, and they're supposed to be here, but you know life happens. But moving have no drinks, you know, and you not drink no more. So me not take no toast for the weekend. So I
What
go
you
past that.
mean me not drink no more?
You can't drink no more.
I
Dog.
don't think me have a bar of me on.
Yeah, but no, you can't drink no more.
Why?
Brother, me think you that smoke a while ago.
What you mean?
Oh yeah, I read.
Cause we tired.
I said, hold up.
And that's how we put on my shades.
Fuck.
But
A good thing I want Tesla me drive. Drive me can
nigga, you want Tesla? Well, yeah, people. Some of the things them were me need to open the chat. Hold on, let me open the chat real quick. I don't know who tapping yet. Because some of the things them were more and if anybody else tapping. But anyway, so toast to the weekend. Sponsors check in. Told you how my week went. Ricky said me how your week went. Just saying, say work. Who's the producer over this? And yeah, so this weekend. Oh, last week, the last time we checked in, Dexter Daps was here. That was a dope ass show. So,
You did it?
uh-huh.
Never see you.
I mean, you never see me. Yeah, me and Dexter was funny. Going on. The show going on.
I mean, me not drinks too.
Yeah, be a girl dog. I said be a girl. Be a girl full up in it. You man chill down your face, man. When you call it champagne tour, yeah, that concert was good. Definitely turned out. People them turned out. Well, the females turned out for that. I'm glad I went. It was fully active. And after that, what happened after that now? Something important happened that I missed. Birthday. Somebody's birthday. Some birthdays happened last week. Or this week. Yeah. Shout out to my mom. Her birthday was yesterday. So shout out to my mom. Happy birthday. Straight love from over here. And, you know, but you already know where the strength I come from. So shout out to my. Yeah, I definitely have to take a shot for mommy because she. Damn. Later before we end, we take a shot for mommy. But yeah, who else birthday I'm missing? I'm missing somebody else's birthday. Who else birthday me I'm missing? Yeah, man, you can't show it to Shani too, you know. Show it to up here strong for Shani too. Yeah. Show it to your big friend.
Who?
Your friend. Now you tell me to show it to her just now.
Who's my friend?
Shani. Yeah, so happy birthday to Ricky friend Shani. Moving forward. Somebody else's birthday I miss now. A baby. Was it a baby? Well, shout out to everybody's birthday in the family, but those two important. My mom right there. But moving again. In the news of the world. Down south. I don't know if who I watch or if you did I watch. They having this big debate. Well, it's not even. Should we call it a debate or that they're voting in a Congress down south, Louisiana to be exact, of rebordering the state, not the state line, but rebordering the map. So the areas that has stronger black population won't be counted as much as the area with the white people with less population, if that makes sense. So they're fucking it up so the black people vote so called. Long story short, cutting their rights and their representation in government and all that shit. So, like always, everything will start down south, that always work its way up. So that's what I believe anyway. So for anybody who is hip to that type of shit or paying attention to that, it's always a trickle down theory, whether it's from the top to the bottom or from the bottom up. Well, if that's still, but it always happen and it start a snowball fight, and they always start with the red states, people trying to do what they do, not trying to, doing what they do, because they always do what they do and nobody do shit. So pay attention to that. People who care about none of that freedom of speech, black empowerment, all that shit, y'all better look out because it's coming to hit y'all hard. And when it come to hit y'all, y'all ain't gonna know what to say because y'all wasn't paying attention to this shit. Y'all just out here living. But I digress. Moving forward. On the same politics shit, shift from here to Jamaica. Rick, you want to your Prime Minister?
Yeah, PNP.
You want to your Prime Minister? You don't know PNP. You have on green on your shirt.
Yeah, blood. Yeah, PNP.
They said the people them not give out the hurricane money all know. Only
Well,
1% of it. How much is 1% of a billion?
$1.
The Bumbo Rasta. That shit crazy, bro.
I say,
I don't know what going, but I called it because even after the hurricane come on in, remember the first, even before they even start that, me call you and say, if you go back on a couple episodes, then me say, watch them people and the money. I don't they even give out the generator them.
You want to call the Prime Minister?
Then you don't have the links.
Which your phone will call it?
Like you didn't have motorcade with them, you know.
Push motorcade.
You know, they on your bike and sit and ride down with Bruce Golding and name on it.
No.
You know, I didn't mean well, I didn't buy your bike, you know.
But what?
Our politics buy your things, you know. So
Man,
no come
nobody
back
with
and
them.
show up.
I say, hold up.
First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just.
Kid money you have buy your bike.
No
and-
politician never buy me nothing yet, bro.
Alright.
Hard working money.
But like me say, and if somebody has pointed that out too, I don't know if anybody was paying attention, but when Speed was on tour and he was in the Caribbean, and he visited the, I don't remember if it's Bob Marley House or the Bob Marley Museum.
Museum, man, beanie man.
Yeah, and he was there with his granddaughter.
Who for that?
Bob Marley granddaughter did I give him the tour Pundai?
Never
You know what
never that
Yeah,
watch it so
she.
much.
And she even pointed out that people are still living in, like, what the word, you know, I say inhumane conditions since the hurricane, where the media and reach out to and people still can't get access to because of roads and all that shit.
So long.
Exactly, and the woman still a point that out, but that's something I've been pointing out since you start say that that just sweep under the rug and nobody knows say nothing. All that billions of dollar donation come, the man I'm gonna say my give out much about 200 generator, I'm gonna go rent out what 4, 6 or 8. Well, the man that fire now. So that are the news.
Woman.
Fire. Oh shit house, you see you? I set up that you know. I set up that. I big dirty set up that. And then travel across the globe right now. They said China somehow managed to get one of their ships through the blockade. I don't know how true that is, but if so, which one of the blockades did it get through? That me no know. They just said they got through the blockade. Because there's 2 blockades. One from Iran and one from US.
Well, China, president,
Xi Jinping?
where China president?
Oh, one Chi! No, I said that first. Ooh, Chilai! I said that.
No, bro, stop your foolishness.
I swear to God that Xi Jinping is that
You
name.
should phone me, I could tell you. Because
Alright,
the
you
phone
tell us,
can tell you where prime
Alright,
minister.
I'm gonna tell you right now, watch. Can me tell you say Xi
And just look
Jinping,
for the
man.
phone number and call him when ship get through.
Shut up, my damn door.
Where you mean?
How do you pronounce the Chinese president's name? Yeah, it says Xi Jinping. I told you, nigga. The
Yo,
fuck?
yes.
I say, hold up.
First of
Xi Jinping.
Then I wait, the phone just said.
Yes, Xi Jinping. He's a Xi Jinping, bro.
Anyway, but like I said, him get through the blockade somehow. Don't know how, but they say my Trump have meeting. I don't know how that meeting went. I feel like this nigga put foot on neck. Told Trump you gotta stop the fuck because it's ready to get tough.
It's the next meeting like Jamaica with Danjo and Trump. Or you not gonna hear about.
But with the one with Andrew and Trump, that the meeting they did, that just Trump I tell Andrew say, yo, we got you. You can't do shit. You can't have that meeting there with China.
China have one bomb now. But for all of this and that, we're done, you know?
One and done.
Yo, we just want them 10 way for this and so we can go.
And them and China have them dead man switch too. So when they set up them, you know, if any when them military software done, the drone them still go attack the last target where you did blood clot program for.
To know how we in a zombie.
No? They start already talking about that. You know, so they come up with the new leptospirosis.
No.
And foot what
You
name
know.
is Hasinka?
Hasinka
Hasinka virus.
something like that. But here what going on? What they say that come from the rat. And look how much homeless people in a blood in New York City. You ever go city and go to the train station and
I know right them there. A raccoon.
Pussy,
New
God,
York City
them
a
big you
raccoon in
fuck,
and
but
right.
But bro, all of a sudden the virus will come and
But
them
you know,
say
I
from the rat them and
yeah,
then
but where them rat they come from, you know, and in the middle of the sea, they say it spread from.
call the ship. That's why yo, me the plan to go a cruise but me nah bother.
Cruise to what? You can swim?
Of course.
So, you know, say a fish long time.
Me
but,
no bother with that part.
but none of that, but the thing is that the people in pan, 2 people on the ship have it one day.
Me train for
And
swim.
they say no, everybody on the test them.
Listen. You dip on the cruise? No. Yeah, I did. No.
Boy, so what you think they might do? Like one next pandemic?
I wouldn't mind because I get big some money right now. More about 10,000 or more.
Oh, you the one of them doing that pandemic. I see.
Yeah.
So Andrew get the, I say you get the bike. Okay.
Which bike?
No,
Which one of them?
see, same thing.
No boy can't buy me no bike. You know, everything we spend cash for.
So the vaccine and they say for you, they will get it.
The who?
Vaccine.
Which vaccine?
The new virus.
Well, me not take no more bomber clock vaccine. Yo, when me there for come at 22, me never have no choice because me never take the vaccine. I know.
Oh, you had to take the vaccine?
Yeah, bro, they make it mandatory, bro. We didn't have to take them all the boost time we get.
Bumbo
Cost me so
clot.
much money.
Then I had the alien where they say them are going to reveal. You just go turn on the switch and then you look like
Cost
where you
me-
look now.
Cost me some money for money. With the things I couldn't breathe nothing after that. Thing, but we come up and go get a data, you know. You see me? But yeah, that shit. They have to take an injection, them, bro.
That's crazy. I didn't even know
Yeah,
that.
yes, then did make it mandatory. 22 when pandemic and the whole heap of curfew shit, they make the vaccine mandatory for who get filed from them.
And booster, they are boost you
The
up like
booster shot and the, but me never did get sick after them, bro.
I mean, nigga, your skin like asphalt. That shit probably even impale you. But moving forward.
So what about the flu shot them what them again here?
Me not take none.
Okay.
No, I don't.
Everybody when me know take it sick right after them take it.
Yeah, but that's the fucked up part. Me don't know what them vaccine fucked me up. But the last time I took a shot, nigga, was when I got here.
Me that forget fully immunized.
And then I like, but blood work is the same as taking a shot.
No nigga, blood work and take them.
Nigga, but the same as needle, whatever needle. That's what I'm saying. But
Me no like neither.
but for me, take nothing for no type of shit now. So I'm afraid of it.
From after the vaccine shit, where they make me have to do, me not do that. No, they not put no.
Shit, yeah, I know with for my baby when she be going for shot, them have to tell me everything down to the basics. What the fuck this from when it start? You know, I'm gonna come give no shots with just a start give out by last 10 years. Fuck that.
Wait.
They have to give my baby shots with me take from back in my time. You know, want no new vaccine, no new shot.
Think of that bad. And when they got the clinic now, for go check up, you know, check for your herpes and then stuff. Them have to say, if you want to sign up for your program, for get the medication or some injection for AIDS. I'm like, me not have AIDS, so why the fuck boy take good from program for do all them shit?
So they want to take your blood, you go run work for it. Me don't know what I want to still in.
So I'm bomb up that place.
But we don't like them vaccine thing you still.
Yeah.
And it'll come again once they
I
spread the
then drop it, them a vaccine fee.
once they put the rat virus back out, them are gonna start push vaccine thing again. And that me know the fun. So yeah, done with that they
Any day that it.
that the depressing part of the world and the things that are going on. Entertainment side of the world now. Music,
NPT, that a NPT.
Alkaline,
Pussy.
Girl Good
Wine girl wine.
is one of the most top
Popular.
streamed songs as a dancer artist in Beat Cartel. I think on YouTube too.
Definitely.
May I tell you, that song,
Better. All the way.
we give him hats off to Alkaline for that car. I mean, not lie, the song from first time here, me know say that gonna be a song for the
So
song.
you know then the thing say dog never da sell out back now window.
And so it was for real.
And then they give him a second night to sell out again.
Yeah.
Nobody with him here.
Me don't know.
Tell her, it just sell out again.
I said, hold up.
First of all,
normally any show he book for, always sell out. So me not gonna say Ray, but
The dog is an upcoming artist and he bring himself.
yeah.
And he low key with him thing right now. This what he pop social media shit and nobody. And him
But-
follow back up people.
Well, who
Him have
knows?
his own pattern, set him own trend.
Yeah, I say you feel, but I can't tell anybody for that.
Oh,
Anyway,
the dog humble, bro.
yeah. Me not say Ray, but any type of
Them
me,
mother-
me can't say nobody right now no
Look on
pattern
the
cartel.
war where them a try drive me. I man able to pay nobody no money.
Which one? Who tried to which one?
Them when I think which
Massacre them.
yes, and them a try drag.
They was trying to bring me that shit.
Of course, then call the name in a couple tune. I try jamming and if they look thing with the feud with them and the man no answer none of them. Like it I just do over there sip a glass of champagne and laugh, bro. Like you know say. When the man say nah stop, turn on them level, them a regret in a heavy category.
But yeah, you know what funny? We even that now. We feel like say, if you give him at least 2 more songs for the summer, so he would have like the whole summer.
No respect, him a drop them.
I feel like, but me don't feel like him. Boy, it's tough. You say I go can't find a banger like this and this was so simple.
You know see the dog no drop song pan rapid like the rest of them.
No, he not do that.
And
He not do that.
anytime drop something, it always hit. Majority of them.
Majority of them.
But the
Okay.
NPT, the album, yeah,
Yeah, he good. He good.
that hit, bro.
Really good.
Like,
Really good. And then,
everywhere you go, you hear pussy, 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 pussy.
brother, that's the hashtag. That's the hashtag for the summer, brother.
I mean, I can't call it where you want, pussy,
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 pussy.
pussy.
I said,
Like, and right now, any DJ when I drop that right now, I tell you, your mix not good.
You want $100 money pull up.
And I woman, they pull up, you know, yeah?
No.
I watch one video on some moms about 6 months moms, so that's funny. And me I say that the girl they have picking me up a wicked blood clot girl, you know.
I mean,
If you go dash for 6 bills for a table about pussy, 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 pussy.
I mean, you were going on. Remember, say the girl, them, the woman, them, the mother, them. They don't spend for them money for the pick me up. Then tax the father. And for them money, then use party.
No, but no, normally them broke, they don't have no money. So that's why they use for money. Now, woman they have money, not access for money, you know.
Right now, tell you that you have to spin the road, spin it on them now. It's just like how you hear them always just say, they don't want no money to pick me.
You can't bother with it. You're a bucky brother, and you always a take with some places.
You know I know money to pick me.
But, me not, babe, I feel them business that you know, I might pick you.
So you can't be able to left and shut up your back. Now you tell us they don't want no money to pick me.
That's how you go.
Yo.
I mean, yeah, nobody with kids. I heard, know that you said.
Me?
Know that you just said it.
My woman have pick me.
Oh, you a fucker. You a set up. Alright, bet. Alright, so. Music, back to the music. So, Alkaline. But, Past Cartel on YouTube in terms of views and plays.
Pussy, 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 pussy.
Cartel know him now. Then I.
Yo.
You even know if it's somebody dog. The dog marketing too crazy, bro. The man in a pick batik panic and he blood clot jazz and nigga feel want hook work. Dog people want hook worm to blood clot.
What about that?
Yeah, me a Gaza fan, but the dog look 6 same way.
What about that?
The dog a moonwalk in the pants, the man almost stuck to blood clot.
What about that?
Yo, my boss, teacher. One Gaza boss. But the pink bandit, them in know you're rich. That's how you go still. Do you ever?
I thought that was AI, bro. That's
You see how fuck up you look, the dog think of AI.
Me not see how not about so me can't.
Liar blood clot tell.
Rather me not
That
use-
shit went viral.
me not
And
use-
now when me a try to avoid it, me scroll, me run up back in
I
there.
tell you something, I use social media like that, bro.
Why know your blood clot, but yeah, Gaza teacher. The man say fuck the world. Him rich or he can't do anything. Now him pink bonnet and him boxers and a
I
moonwalk
mean,
fan.
why not? You not use bonnet.
No, me use earbag. hear about Durag and they you know they sitting there when you ride reach you put on your neck, you just dry it up, you
Ski
see.
mask.
And I sleep in my side seat too as I hear it keep your head neat.
Me have a bonnet. Me have a black bonnet.
For what?
To put it over my head.
For what?
Protect me here.
What here?
This. You want to look more from this? My line up the weird around and so.
So you think a bonnet I gonna stop your hair from slide back this up?
You're supposed to protect your hair regardless. If I even brush cut you off, you're supposed to tie your head at night time, bro.
Who told you that shit?
Me.
And how long you been tying your hair?
From me know myself. Yeah, I'm still ugly as fuck.
No, me not.
That the hair still bad.
Yeah.
You don't want to see spun a bad day. Pepper green.
Oh, so this is not the bad day.
No,
Bumbo rascal.
it's a wrong turn day.
Jamaica stuff.
I said,
You don't want to see
No, but for real, no, but that's that. Me no believe like no do rag or nothing can.
Yeah, man, you're supposed to tie your head.
Well, you don't give out advice when you're not
You're supposed to tie your head. Me
Do
tie
you
my head
tie-
every night.
No, me no believe that. That don't look like
I
you
want
type.
phone call, bro.
Call you
It's a bonnet me wear. Me just pull it down over my head.
Alright, Cartel, go easy.
And black one me have and a pink. My own unisex.
You're stupid. Move forward. Alright, work still for entertainment. Music. Drake.
How much album drop in a one day? 3
I'm gonna
album.
listen to one so far. The shot, not even shots. He ain't take no shots. This nigga body niggas. Answer to everybody, even who didn't even respond, who didn't say nothing, got hit with strays.
Answer to they not like us.
He kill everything. He kill everything.
When is Cedric?
Oh shit, you see how you? The man kill everything in level down everybody.
Certified pedophile. Freak.
The man level down no man. But let me tell you, it's a Jersey.
Damn, bro.
They whatever happened with the beef, like me's a Kendrick fan. When it come to rap, if you go rap battle, me always gonna pick Kendrick. But in terms of hip hop and vibes and music where you can listen to every day and not just keep music in rotation, you can't forget Drake. Ever since this nigga took his step back from music or whatever, it should just be a trash. Nobody know did if he move after a fissy off a mimic that's doing something that's
I
cool.
mean, the only person trashing their music for that Nick Cannon.
Alright, you know what, Ricky? Sometimes
Everybody is.
hear me I say, listen this. So you
Drake,
wait
taking a step back. There's multiple other
Wait,
artists
no.
bad too.
What Nick Cannon have to do with this?
He might the worst artist.
But me not understand where this have to
But
come
you
from.
can't say
Who tell us that Nick Cannon the worst artist?
Which one of Nick Cannon song then good?
Who tell us that Nick Cannon the worst artist?
Nick Cannon is not even an artist, bro.
So why the fuck nigga got song recorded and published? What the fuck you mean?
Which one of Nick Cannon song then good?
How the fuck? Where we reach yourself? What we are talking
Yeah, I said Drake step back from music
about?
and everything are trash. Me said no, the rest of them is not really trash. And one artist song them are trash, bro.
But if you even bring up Nick Cannon in this conversation, nigga, that's don't even make music currently.
While I know bad still.
Anyway, Ricky, you see how we spend that violate that I violate the boss, you know. But
Oh,
you,
violate what the boss?
now Nick Cannon,
Some shit.
I really vote that. But like me I say, Drake music ever since it's been absent, I feel like hip hop been trash. Which hip hop song now you listen to? Or which hip hop mix you like? What's bumping now? What's the hot hip hop song now? Other than the Baby New song.
Okay. Alright.
But that I still don't know.
Not necessarily.
That still don't know.
Alright.
Wait, like, no, for real. I remember R&B a kick right now. You know?
I mean, I'm an R&B person, man.
You're a what?
R&B
Oh, we
person.
think you say her. But I mean, I say R&B a kick right now for sure. But the dog come out with 3 album. One for the streets, one for the girl them. I mean, I know what the next one for. Come in and listen to it. You know, get the snippet.
Me a forego on the street and you remember one.
No man, the dog, no
They
mix
say
dog.
if he kill everything, me I go on you.
He kill everything, man. He kill everything. Live it on everything.
Rick Rasto.
What did I miss? You know, he talk about everybody. Literally, he talk about everybody directly and indirectly at the same time. But you know, because he referenced the situation and him man is him good, him quick.
Oh.
You know, quick. He's good. Because if it was quick, it would have been soon. But me also hear this other. What would I call him? This other content creator was doing a review of it, and he said, "For Drake, we just dropped 3 albums same time." But he said the Iceman was mid. He said all 3 of them is mid. But he said he think Drake do that to get out in contract, so he can drop some better shit for the summer. But the shit still slap though. But the thing when him talking, I think I'm saying too real for that be
But
like
I mean,
a
if
hoax
he need to do
album.
that, forget out that contract, so him can make money with the fee, the better song. I mean, that's smart.
Them song, this is good to me.
We have to go listen to it.
Me not like, me not hear no, I didn't hear a club banger on the album yet, but they were, for what we were expecting to hear in response for your hearing. You know what I mean?
Well, maybe he never do it for the club, but just do it for sure.
But that, well, me not listen to the other 2 yet, so we probably find some in the other 2, but for the one that me listen now, you know, you're not in the mood that.
Alright, so next week I'll come back with the Drake thing again after we hold on with this week.
Yeah, so alright, we
So
can.
I'll leave a topic that for next week.
Mm-hmm. The new topic now. Me want, Joy, you see that some of you? There's so much shit going on. I feel like say the people even not really pay attention away, so me want to do somebody fuck with too, that I hate to.
You know, I'm doing so.
I think I want to go travel your fuck, I want to go over all the states before they shut it down.
You want to Puerto Rico?
No, sir. Me not go Puerto Rico, no other country.
Then there Puerto Rico, now we could go.
Oh.
Let's see what they do.
Me? If I meet to blood, Ricky, don't come for us with your fuck me, man. That's like a dirty man, yeah, man. That boy, you come with this spiky 3D style, you know. Me know I'm nervous, you over here, nervous, you know.
What? I could have get one, I don't know.
Bun, cheese, every blood clot thing. Anytime they in trouble together, you know, not good, not happy,
No,
you know.
no good now.
When they ain't go by themselves, you can't say at least if they ain't give you a bun.
Especially if that one there, you know that one there?
And tell them they travel by themselves, at least if they ain't give you a bun, you can't say I demand that the person is go there between. If you find out, I just hear and she. But the group,
But the group?
well, my friend them come sit down, look for your face and she kept on kitchen for you.
Yo.
Oh,
really
God.
have fool, you have
Me
fuck.
tell you. So I start that dog, I say go.
Alright.
I have to jump off I should quick.
Tired I get one now.
Hmm?
Tired I get one now. Big man now.
I tell you now you can't see it, you look roasted your fuck, you're gonna kill you.
Go for the bun up powder and come back.
But you know, you were putting that, me I get ready for shut this down, you know, call the people them, and me I get tired and me want to go eat some food, you know, so.
There you go.
Where me I go?
You cook?
Me don't look a blood clot, man, I walk with my belly everywhere, so.
No, me don't walk in my belly. Me heat already and me have food in my car.
Me have food in my fridge.
Okay. No, if I say man go on go chill, I want to sleep.
And the same thing up here, I said that week I did beat you, but man, I make you see everybody there and the dog and up on the roof. But yeah, oh, you know, I shout out to Rumboss International too. I definitely shout out to Fire Kid. Yeah. And Fireboss, yeah, Fireboss, that's the nigga I was looking for his birthday too. Shout out to Fireboss. That was last week, but yeah, shout out to that nigga. Moving forward, so people, let me say quick with that, with a quick pass through tonight. So this has been another episode of Vibes Friday. Each and every Friday. We wasn't here last week, but we're here this week, and we're gonna be here definitely again next week and the other week. So again, shout out to my mom. Happy birthday to you. And to coming up, not next week, but definitely house party still coming up. Look out for that this month. We're not missing that this month. And Fire Kid birthday at the end of this month. Definitely it's a party. Who else may I forget now? Every Friday night, Pretty Girl Team, Link Fireboss and Rumboss. Definitely tomorrow night we down at East Avenue with Fire Kid at, what the place name again?
The mango.
No, the Mango nigga. Bravado, yeah. Bravado downtown tomorrow night, and then Jolie down the same year now. So everybody, this has been another episode of Vice Friday. This is your boy Girls there, Ricky over there. So again, catch us next week. We're going to be some tune, and if you know one, they're going to listen, but we're going to go on the business on Friday night. Be safe outside.
We're not mixing, we just have to play on the
Play a tune, nigga. We are
Ricky
playing.
Platinum will play tonight.
Yeah. Outside. Yeah, you
Big entertainment for you tonight. We never got blood clot telling about it. Donna, big up yourself. You know the things that are ready. Say, Touch Mass, TBMG, the whole family. Sound something like knows everything to me. All right, that is it, man.
I'm for no sell boss, I'm represent for Ricky Platinum.
Yeah, me I say the man for your advice and what the 6 boss representing the man for Ricky Platinum.
Alright, time no man like. Yeah, Ricky Platinum. Vibes God man. Mwah. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hands. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our guide through countless hours. To our leaders, great defenders, grant you wisdom from above. Justice, truth be all forever. Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love. Man to man, children, you don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend. Yeah. And your best friend, your worst enemy.
Some of them pussy up.
Some will eat and drink with you. And behind them sus upon you.
Anybody here with a real friend, put your friend hands in the air right now. Me a look.
Only a friend know your secret.
Everybody put up your friend hand in our ear.
Only he
One different rum punch tonight.
reveal it.
Hey!
And who that love and hate can never be friends. Oh no.
Different rum punch tonight. All who love reggae music, must have blanket in the ear. Me a look. Everybody must have blanket here.
I've got to